Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4 with the Eco diesel engine. It's a 3.0 turbo diesel and it is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have the fog lights up front, chromed alloy wheels. Also has the Ram boxes. As you see here, they're quite deep. Just have a spray-on bed liner and a bed extender right there. Power sliding back window. Dual exhaust. Tow package. So it does have a black pinhole leather interior, and these rear seats are heated. You have another 12-volt outlet right here. Here's a shot of the VIN right here, and I will upload another still shot of that as well. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 65,130 miles on this vehicle. You got your push to talk, your trip computer toggles, your gear, and then right here you have your cruise control, and your stereo controls are on the opposite side of your steering wheel that you would control with your fingertips. Got your shifter, 2- and 4-wheel drive right here. And then as you come over here, you see that it has either heated or cooled front seats. And you have your heated steering wheel right there, comfort controls, and you do have a 115-volt outlet right here, which is super handy. And then right here you've got your Infotainment Center. So you can, right now it's on comfort controls and climate. And then you have your Bluetooth and those sources. So you also have auxiliary and USB sources as well, if you just wanted to play MP3 wired. And then your stereo, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and then controls. And you can also jump to your backup camera even when you're driving forward. That's super nice. So I'll just show you that right now. And you do have your backing guides. Your vehicle is equipped with navigation and a very quick computer. And there's your Bluetooth. And so we come down here, phone charging station, 12-volt power outlet, and then cup holder, key fob, and you see that it does have remote start. And as you look down in here, you're going to have 2 USBs and auxiliary port right here, and then that will also lean back for additional stowage. And let's see now, as we come up above, you have your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. You see it does have 65,130 miles on it. Just making sure I'm not missing anything. Looks like we've got everything. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the front passenger quarter panel. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and a state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.